Hi everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Mawash here with another easy breezy recipe. Today I am bringing you one more party snack that takes only 2 ingredients to make and still looks beautiful. Plus, it's so easy to make. It's savory roast puffs. You might have seen or heard of apple roses or apple roast puffs, which are a bit sweet. But I recreated the same puffs into a savory version. I prefer sweet over savory any time of the day, but apples in puff pastry are not my thing. And apple pies are a total no no. Don't get me wrong, I love apples, but only when they're crisp and crunchy. Soft and mushy? Nah, thank you, I'll pass. So, instead of using apples in these roast puffs, I decided I'll use the next best thing. That would certainly be pepperonis. I could have used mortadella, but they are big in size and wouldn't have given it the same rose petal effect. Here are the two things that you'll need to create these beauties: puff pastry sheets and pepperoni. Here's what you're going to do. Cut the sheets into 4 equal strips. Place 6 or more pepperonis on top half of one strip like shown over here, making sure that they are overlapping each other. There is one more thing you can do to make these more delicious. Spread some pizza sauce and cheese on the puff pastry before placing the pepperoni and call them pizza roast puffs. Cool, right? Now fold the bottom half on top and press it down. Start rolling it from one side while pressing down the puff pastry sheet in the front until it is all rolled up. Once rolled, press it a bit and place it in an oiled muffin tray. You can also place it on your baking tray, but I have seen that they tend to open and not look as perfect as these. You can also cut the pepperonis in half and place them like this. But you know what? After baking, they don't give that proper rose look as the other ones do. I'll show you the difference in the baked ones. If you're cutting the pepperonis in half, then make sure that you pull them out a little bit. When all are rolled up into beautiful roses, just smile at your creation for a minute. They already look like roses, but will look even better once baked. Once you have marveled enough, pat your back and place them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until they are slightly golden. Oh, they look so beautiful. Now these are the ones that I placed full pepperonis in, and these at the corner, this one, and at the top, that one, they are both with half of the pepperonis. You can see here that the petals are not that on top of the puff pastry, but over here in this one they're really prominent and they look much better than the previous one. So I would advise to use the whole pepperoni instead of cutting it in half. Remember, when baked, leave them in a muffin tray just for a few minutes before pulling them out. After a few minutes, place them on a cooling rack so that the base doesn't get soggy. Serve them warm or cold. They are beautiful as well as delicious. I always say food should look good before it tastes good. They are perfect for high teas, afternoon tea, picnics, party snacks, iftar parties in Ramadan, or even for a surprise guest. You name it. They are so tempting and scrumptious, easy to make and impressive to look at. That ticks all my boxes for impressive homemade snacks for guests. More beautiful and delicious recipes are coming next week, so subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the updates. Visit the links below in the description to check out all the other party snacks. Hit that like button if you like my take on roast puffs and comment down below to let me know, what do you prefer, savory or sweet? Thanks for watching and bye for now.